Imbibe is an AI powered learning outcomes platform which is designed to address the most fundamental problems in education, including creating tomorrow ready citizens and at the same time focusing on core curriculum issues that students experience today. In addition to a very rich platform, we are powered by powerful AI.
Hello viewers, I am very much delighted to be a part of Khadariya's AI powered Imbibe team. As a teacher, I feel enhanced and updated through Imbibe's teaching platform. For students too, this platform provides personalized education to help each of them realize their true potential by learning, practicing and assessing. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fatima. I feel proud to be a computer teacher in Khadria Higher Secondary School. I'm very passionate to teach young mind robotics and artificial intelligence. I am demonstrated many robotics module in classroom. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Muhammad Furqan. I am the spark of Khadria, single point of contact. I am excited to announce that Khadria has become proud partner of IIT Madras for conducting a certificate course in data science and AI and electronic system. Thank you.